So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can dictate your text to type on Google Docs, or you can say how whenever you speak something it will get written on the Google Docs. Now in order to do it, just simply click on open the blank document or whatever document that you are working on, then click on this option of tools over there, and under here you'll see this option of voice typing, or you can use the keyboard shortcut as well that is mentioned over there. That's Control plus Shift plus S. Now, once you tap over there, you'll see a mic will appear right in front of you. Click on this option, and it will ask you to enable the permissions for the mic as well. So just simply make sure that the microphone is enabled. And once you do it, click on this option again, and you will notice that whatever you say is going to be start returning on the document. As you can see now, whatever I say is going to be written over this document file. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.